Hello Adobe Express creators, want to make your project pop with smooth color transitions? Let's add gradients in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express on your device and either start a new project or select an existing one. Select the element like a background or shape that you want to apply the gradient to. In the editing toolbar, click on the color option, choose the gradient tab from the color options. You can now pick a preset gradient or create a custom one by selecting your starting and ending colors. Adjust the angle, direction and intensity of the gradient to fit your design perfectly. Gradients can add depth and visual interest to your designs, so experiment with different color combinations. If the gradient doesn't look as smooth, check the element size or try adjusting the angle for a more seamless transition. What's your go-to color scheme for designs? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.